Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can unblock account on LinkedIn. So first step you need to do is to open LinkedIn. So click on that, click on the person on the top left. So once you are here you simply need to click on settings. So once you are in your settings you simply need to click on visibility. And once you are here you can see different options. You simply need to click on blocking. And once you are here you can see two people I blocked. So you simply need to click on unblock and click on unblock. Okay, click on unblock. So here you need to mention your password, so add your password here, and then you simply need to click on the person name. So this is the process that you need to follow to unblock any person on LinkedIn. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.